Welcome back to the SN classes. So today let us continue with the Kcet biology MCQ questions based on the chapter 2, that is biological classification. Your first question is, which among the following is not a member of the kingdom Protista? Option A, amoeba. Option B, paramecium. Option C, euglena. Option D, aspergillus. Your answer is option D, aspergillus, because the aspergillus that belongs to the kingdom fungi, whereas amoeba, paramecium, euglena, those belongs to the kingdom protista. Second question, the primary mode of reproduction in bacteria is. So the mode of reproduction in bacteria is option A, binary fission, option B, budding, option C, spore formation, option D, fragmentation. Your answer is option A, binary fission. So the bacteria reproduces, the mode of reproduction in the bacteria is binary fission. This is a type of asexual reproduction where the binary fission means the one cell that divides into two daughter cells, that is called as binary fission. Okay, the answer is option A, binary fission. Let us move on to the third question. Archaebacteria is different from eubacteria because option A, they lack the cell walls. Option B, their cell wall lack the peptidoglycan. Option C, they are eukaryotes. And option D is they have a true nucleus. Your answer is option B, their cell walls lack the peptidoglycan. Here, the archaebacteria also has a cell wall and eubacteria is also has the cell wall. But in the eubacteria, there is a presence of peptidoglycan content. Whereas in the archaebacteria, there is the absence of this peptidoglycan. So the answer is option B. Okay, their cell wall lacks the peptidoglycan. Let us move on to the third question, that is mycoplasma is unique because option A, it has a rigid cell wall. Option B, it lacks a cell wall. Option C, it is a multicellular organism. Option D, it reproduces by the sexual reproduction. Your answer is option B. It lacks a cell wall. There is an absence of cell wall in the mycoplasm, where this mycoplasm, it is the smallest organism when compared to the all other living organisms. Okay. Let us move on to the fifth question. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of a slime molds? Option A, they are photosynthetic. Option B, they reproduce using the seeds. Option C, they form a fruiting bodies. Option C, they have chlorophyll. Your answer is option C. They form the fruiting bodies. Here, the what is that slime molds that forms a fruiting bodies that produces the spores for the reproduction purpose.